Greetings of the day to all. You're listening to FJC News and I'm your host Supriya Pal. Today's headlines are: the host of the popular show Character Dissector interacted with new media students. The new students were acquainted with Startup and Innovation Cell at MSU by Mr. Prashant Murmukar. Mr. Adil Marawala interacted with students on the art and science of corporate communication. Now for news in detail. Mr. Atiq Khan, the programming director at Radio City and host of Character Dissector, was guest at orientation on day 3. Mr. Khan shared his insights about the world of radio and podcast. He explained the technicalities and creative aspects that makes audio medium interesting. Through this session, students gained a clearer understanding of power of audio storytelling and art of curating impactful content. Now let's hear from a reporter on field.
That was an amazing session by Mr. Atiq Khan. Let's dive deeper into his insights of podcasting.
Getting a lot of very interesting students from varied profiles, and the kind of updation that has been happened in even the curriculum also has kind of led to newer thoughts, newer ways of thinking. So that ways I have seen a very interesting growth, and I have seen a very interesting profile of students that have been coming here.
What was your experience with Mr. Atiq Khan? Has this session in any way influenced or changed your perspective on podcasting?
Yeah, so hello, my name is Angela Vasani, and it has definitely changed my perspective. What I was thinking about, becoming a good communicator. So the session that we had was really interactive. Also, it was really motivating. Like we Gen Zs, when we say that vibe match ho rahi hai, so it was like the same when we were talking or having a conversation with sir. So yeah, it was like really good.
Okay, it was very informative and interactive at the same time. I really liked how he presented it in a very interactive way, because nowadays we are the people, we would love to look at what people want us to tell. So it was very informative and interactive, and of course I do listen to podcasts, but I never thought कि podcast में इतने सारे types होते हैं. So मेरे को उसके बारे में भी जानने को मिला. So I really liked it.
Moving on day 5, spirits were still high. In fact, students were more enthusiastic as the session was to be held on SSIP, or Student Startup and Innovation Policy, by Mr. Prashant Murmukar. Mr. Murmukar is an industry expert and a passionate advocate for innovation in education. He walks students through many layers of SSIP, an initiative to support fresh ideas and encourage campus creativity.
How can students and fresh graduates contribute meaningfully to innovations in India?
In fact, whenever the students they are entering into a graduate course, first important aspect which is required, that you should have a critical thinking, and then problem identification is another important aspect which need to be developed by the students, because in day-to-day life a lot of activities are there, a lot of incidences are there where we find the problems, right? But what happens, we just criticize this problem. But instead of criticizing this problem, can we think about identification of this problem and to giving the solution for this problem? If we are able to identify problem, there will be a different type of solution which will be available. And if we exploit this strategy to give the solution, there is always bird to the new startup. There is always bird to have a new idea to solve the problem, and that's how actually they can encash this problem identification into converting this idea into a business. I think by this way it is very much possible that we can see a lot of change in the thinking process of the students.
Mr. Murmukar helps students understand incubation support and funding channels. He emphasized that innovation is not just about technology, but solving problems creatively. That students, regardless of their field, can benefit from the policy's resources. Mr. Murmukar also shared a few student-led examples. Now let's go to the field with Mariam Kheti.
What was the most interesting thing you learned from today's session?
It was such an interesting program by Prashant sir. We learned a lot about startups in this orientation program. There are so many schemes offered by MSU, and we are very much thankful to the government for giving giving an opportunity to young minds to fulfill their dreams, and it was nice.
Thank you.
Today, this was the fifth day of the orientation session of the students of FJC. session was addressed by Mr. Prashant Narwala. Many more sessions to come. Stay tuned. This is Mariam Muzaffar Khedi with the camera person Yashika Rajpurohit signing off.
As we neared the end of orientation week, on the 7th day, the session began with an ice-breaking activity. The students were asked to introduce themselves in groups, and the event turned into a delightful showcase of talent and imagination. BJMC once stole the show with the power-packed group presentation by mimicking famous Bollywood characters and internet personalities. Some students even chose to express themselves through song and dance. On the other hand, MJMC1, after some encouraging words from Neeti ma'am, presented a commendable performance with team spirit. This was a perfect beginning to their academic journey. Let's hear from our new students on the field.
A story in which we are going to incorporate the different aspects of media, like the journalist interview type, and also we are going to add the ads behind the product, which is the students. We are the students, so and we are going to tell the qualities of us through the ads. So yeah, that's how
We hope you enjoyed these glimpses of ice-breaking session at FJC. Stay tuned for many more sessions of the orientation series. I, Unnati Dalal, with camera person Nikhil Tilwani, signing off.
Now my co-host Yashita will take over for the rest of the news. Thank you all.